Did you know that Walmart wants to give you money? Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal my top ways to get paid from Walmart simply for working from home. Hey, what's up guys? This is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online, and in this video I'm going to reveal the top 3 ways you can get paid by Walmart. Now, you've probably seen a bunch of other videos on YouTube when it comes to this topic, but I just went through it, and these guys are talking about paid ways, so you're actually gonna have to spend money in order to make money. In this video I'm going to share the top 3 ways, so you don't have to actually spend any money on ads and anything like that, and you will see results instantly. So I'm not going to be talking about starting an Instagram channel or a YouTube channel dedicated just for this purpose. This will be something instant, all right? Before we're going to jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm recording one of these free training videos, I'm giving away $10. And if you want to win $10, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email so I know where to send the money to, and I will be revealing the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video, and also please check out all the links in the description. My first link will take you to my top recommended resource for making money online, and it will make you hundreds of dollars per day. And also check out all the rest of the links. Everything is free to join and free to check out, all right? And right now, let's just jump into the content of this video. 3 ways to get paid by Walmart working from home. Let me just share my screen review right here, and as you can see, this is the Walmart's website. So essentially what you're going to be doing is you will be helping Walmart to sell whatever they got for sale. So they have a bunch of different things that you can promote: electronics, video games, home equipment, sports, toys, men's clothing, jewelry, women's clothing, shoes, outdoor stuff. So a bunch of different ways. And what I would recommend to you is just focus on the more expensive stuff, because Walmart will pay you a percentage anyway from 4 to 8%. So obviously the higher priced the item is, the more money you'll make, all right? So focus on electronics or video games or home equipment or stuff that is just more expensive, all right? So that's the number 1 thing. And you know, you can sign up by going to affiliates.walmart.com. You're gonna click on this yellow button here saying become a member, so you can become their affiliate, and this will bring up this page. Obviously, you're gonna have to fill this all out, and essentially you're gonna get a different affiliate link for each product that you're gonna want to promote. So it's totally up to you which product you will choose. You're gonna get an affiliate link for each product, and if you're gonna make a sale, you're gonna get paid. And why Walmart and not any other company? I essentially looked it up, and as you can see, Target has an affiliate program also, but they only will pay you, they will only pay 5% on many products. Amazon, the same thing, you're gonna get 4% to 8% if you are on the high end, and Walmart essentially pays you 4 to 8%, which is a great payout, all right? So this is why you can go to affiliates.walmart.com/facts, and you have all the questions answered right here. So you know, just off the top of my head, Rick, right here, how are commissions paid? Commissions are paid on monthly net sales, and it doesn't include returns, sales tax, shipping and handling. And obviously, how do I keep track of my sales? You'll be using Linkshare, the Linkshare interface, so you can access daily reports, and you're going to be provided with information on impressions, click-through, orders, sales, commissions, and everything else. So you can check out this FAQ page. All the information is right here. But the big question is, what do you do with your affiliate link, right? So it's super easy to sign up. It's super easy to grab your affiliate link, to pick the right offer to promote or the right product to promote. But where are you going to actually promote it, right? So the first thing, before we're gonna go into the 3 ways, I wanted to tell you that you can do Facebook ads. And if you decide to do Facebook ads, please click the third link in the description, and it will take you to a free download of my Facebook marketing course. All right, so if you'll decide to go this route, please download my course. It's totally free, you don't have to pay for it, and you will be able to see exactly how to run Facebook ads, because obviously Facebook ads are instant. You're gonna get instant traffic to your affiliate link, but if you're gonna do it the wrong way, you can lose a lot of money. So it's very, very important for you to do it the right way, and you can download my free Facebook marketing course. All right, so it's the third link in the description, and obviously a part of Facebook ads, you can use Facebook itself. So if you just pull up Facebook, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into groups and just promote your affiliate link for free. Okay, so let's say for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to stick with the stay-at-home mom niche, or the stay-at-home mom groups. All right, so we're gonna do a little search. So stay-at-home moms, and then we're gonna go to groups, and as you can see, you have a number of different groups, everything about you know, making money online, stay-at-home job, stay-at-home mom, selling on eBay, you know, all these different groups. You can go ahead, join these groups, and start posting in them. So just get a feel of what the group is about, and you know, you can answer questions, you can offer some help to people, and always include your affiliate links. So if someone will actually click on it and buy, you will get the commission. So you know, these groups have thousands of members in some cases. So 14,000 members here, 31,000 members here, 4,000, 1,000, 4,000, 5,000 here, 20,000 right here. So you know, obviously depending on the niche, you know, this is just one example. You know, just get creative. First of all, choose the product that you think that will sell really, really well, and then find the group that will just make sense. Okay, just stay-at-home moms is just one idea off the top of my head, but you know, there are thousands of groups on Facebook that you can go in, share your link, start making money, and it doesn't cost you anything. So this is a completely free way of doing this. Okay, and also you can start your own group as well. So but that's another subject for another video. So you know, Facebook free groups, that's the number one free way. Another one free way is forums. So just go to Google and type in stay-at-home mom or moms forums, and you know, you're gonna get a ton of different examples of forums. So forums is like the old school Facebook group. So you know, people used to use forums a lot. Now it's more about Facebook, but some forums are still very, very active. So just find forums that are related to the product that you're going to promote, go into these forums, start asking questions, answering questions, giving advice, and always have your affiliate link in there. So you know, if someone would actually buy through it, you will make a commission. So again, you can have a stay-at-home moms conversations, that's the number one forum. Need support stay-at-home moms. You know, you have all these different stay-at-home moms forums. You can join one or two or all of them, and you know, start generating this traffic to your affiliate link. All right, so this is the number two, sorry, option. The number three option is Twitter. Go to Twitter, and I've actually explained this extensively in one of my earlier videos. Essentially, you can type in like a specific phrase here in the search. So in quotes, I looked for, I'm looking for a gift. So these will bring up specific people that are actually looking for a gift, right? So you know, this person says right here, hi, I'm looking for a gift for my parents as they will soon be celebrating 45 years of marriage. I know that the traditional gift is sapphire. Does anyone have anything suitable, please? So all you have to do is just reply to this person with your affiliate link and say, listen, I think this is a great gift, check it out, whatever, you know. And the cool thing is that this person is highly interested in it. They will check it out, maybe they will buy, maybe not, but also everyone else that follows this person will see this as well. So you know, you're gonna get even more traffic this way. So just, you know, I'm looking for a gift is just one example of a phrase that you can type in. Again, depending on the product, depending on the niche that you're going to promote, there's thousands of different things that you can type in here, find thousands of different people that are interested in buying these products, and all you have to do is just get in front of them and give them your affiliate link and get paid. All right, so the cool thing about Walmart is that people are already buying from Walmart. They know Walmart, they probably go there every day, they shop there. You know, if they're gonna buy something, they will probably buy it from Walmart anyways, and all you do is just go right into the middle between Walmart and them, and you're cashing in on the commission, because you know, you don't have to convince these people, you don't have to tell them that they need something. These people are actually looking for good products to buy. They already know that they will buy it. You just have to show them what to buy. All right, so super simple way to cash in. As I promised, I'd show you top 3 ways, and the 4th way is Facebook ads. And again, if you want to learn everything about Facebook ads, click the 3rd link in the description. And right now, let's just see who won the $10 giveaway from my previous video. All right. Okay, so this is my previous video, make money in 1 minute testing simple money method. So let me just grab the URL and let's go to YouTube random comment picker. Let me paste this in and let's filter out the duplicates. Let's see how many comments we have. We have 50 comments, and we will start the raffle and pick a random winner. Okay, we got Ningana Sinjana, but she only said nice and she didn't leave her PayPal email, so we're gonna pick another winner. Please leave your PayPal email in the comments. This way I will actually know where to send the money to. We got Mrs. Chartier Sanford. I'm recently unemployed unexpectedly and need to make money fast. And she left her PayPal email, so right now I'm going to send her the $10 prize. Congratulations, and if you want to win $10, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email. Very important, so I actually know where to send the money to. Okay, so I just sent $10 to the winner of the giveaway. Again, congratulations. Do these 4 things if you want to win the $10, and please check out all the links in the description. Again, the first link will take you to my top recommended resource when it comes to making money online. The second link will take you to a copy and paste hack to make money online, super simple way. And the third link is my Facebook marketing course that you can check out and use it for today's strategy. All right, if you have any questions, you can always leave them in the comments as well, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.